everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Uthando nesthembu season 6 episode 2. But ngicela uqale ngicacisele guys before I continue. Abantu abaningi dala bezwa ngalo episode 2 ongakadlali kodwa ku channel 161 Mzansi Magic. Guys, Uthando nesthembu luqala udlale ku channel 103 or 1 Magic before siubona on Thursday ku Mzansi Magic. So guys, ningadideki, this episode I'm talking about isazodlala laphayana kumzansi Magic this coming Thursday okuwona episode 2. So guys, this episode 2 reveals something very painful to MaYeni. Like guys, it's the first time ngimbone ekhala MaYeni asijwayele nje ukumbona nje eyinakela indaba zakhe idlala uCandy Crush wakhe engahlushwe ilutho kanti she's dying inside. Kulo episode 2 guys ka season 6 MaYeni sounded deeply hurt and heartbroken because of her husband Mseleku. Musa then went on to reveal that uMangwabe no MaYeni knew each other before Musa emshada uMangwabe, and that did not sit well with MaYeni. Mangwabe and MaYeni knew each other before I met her. I did not know that I married someone MaYeni knew. I think that what caused a huge problem, said Musa. While Musa said all this guys, MaYeni started crying, and you could see that she is still deeply hurt and she has not healed from the fact that Musa married Mangwabe whom she knew. This shows that there is a lot that happened when Musa got married to Mangwabe, because you can see that MaYeni is still not happy about it. Guys, MaYeni even said that she did not want to continue with her diary session because there are things that she cannot answer because they are too personal. She even revealed that her husband Mseleku will not be happy if she was to reveal them. Can we stop this diary session? Not that I can't answer now in this diary session. Musa will not like it if I were to mention those things, said MaYeni. Guys, MaYeni unobuhlungu obuningi. Firstly, uye kwakumele abe unkosikazi wokuqala ka Mseleku before everyone omacele no bonke nje laba abanye, but ke inkinga zomhlaba zambeke eceleni. Now uMusa usethatha omunye futhi umfazi MaYeni amaziyo. She really feels like her feelings are not being considered. Musa had to even apologize for saying abahambayo thina sizosala siyincenga. Wayedelile kakhulu vele guys laphayana kuleya final episode ka season 5 aze athi ke na ke abahambayo thina sosala sinyenga vele ngangade ngibathathe emadodeni abo. Like he was very rude. So on the previous episode, on episode 2 guys, he had to apologize and say no ngakhuluma kabi ngampela because MaYeni usambambela inhliziyo nangalokho akusho that day. Baba Mseleku guys, ngazi ukuthi unayo nje vele lento yokuthatha abantu abazwana abafazi bakhe. Thobile always mention ukuthi she was a friend with Mseleku's late wife. I wouldn't be surprised if nalo number 5 bemazi labo mama yikho bengamfuni kangaka njena. That's all I have for today guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.